Success isn't built overnight, it's built through constant and sincere effort. The Prophet Muhammad beautifully said, "The most beloved deeds to Allah are those done regularly, even if it's small." Whether you are a student, whether you are a professional, or whether you are a striving believer, showing up every day matters. Consistency is very important in life. It means doing something regularly and not giving up. When you work hard every day, even in small ways, we slowly move closer to our goals. People begin to trust us when they see that we are constantly in our action and words. Success doesn't come late once. It comes from not doing our best and again. Even when things get tough, a consistent person keeps going. This steady effort helps us grow, learn, and inspire others. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic day.